Hi guys, welcome back. This is Dinaz here. And I did a poll the other day and I found out that there is one big problem. The biggest problem is that a lot of you are lazy. Okay? Now, if you're lazy and if you think that you're relating to what I'm saying, you must be struggling to either get up and exercise or struggling to lose weight. And today I'm going to be talking to you about how a lazy person can actually lose weight. See, we all have the lazy baby in us. I mean, a lot of us don't want to go to the gym every day, or a lot of us don't want to exercise every day. A lot of us feel that, okay, I'll press the snooze button and I'll wake up tomorrow. And so it's not about you or me. All of us have that lazy baby in us. Now that we have it, we have to find ways of coming around that lazy baby in us and making sure that we start moving our body or we start doing something to be able to lose that weight. Okay? So I understand that for lazy people, it's a constant battle. Because you keep thinking that now you'll get up and move your body, or tomorrow you'll do it, or today you're just going to sit, and when you sit you want to eat something unhealthy. And so it's a constant battle, it's a constant struggle. So today I'm going to be talking to you about 9 hacks that anybody who feels they are lazy, when they do it, you're going to be losing weight. Okay, so I like to keep my videos and my podcasts really short and sweet. So in this session, I'm going to be talking to you about how, if you're a lazy person, how are you going to lose weight? So tip number 1, cut down your sugary treats. Okay. So when you are lazy, you tend not to work out, you tend not to move your body, and you want to just sit down all the time. So that's fine, no problem. But you need to cut down your sugary items, you need to cut down your carbohydrate intakes, you need to cut down the biscuits and the chocolates that you're eating, you need to cut down the junk food that you're eating, the fries that you're eating, the murmuras and all the evening snacks that you're eating. When you cut down all that, you're consuming less calories, and that itself will help you to lose weight. And tip number 2 is eat in smaller plates. So if you're a lazy person and you don't want to move your body, you're saying, Dinaz, I can't just do 5,000 steps also in a day. I just can't move my body. I'll do anything else. Please help me to lose weight. Then you need to start eating in smaller plates. When you start eating in smaller plates, automatically you'll start taking smaller portions, and that will kind of really help you. So when you take a big plate, you pile your food up and you take so many more things. But when you start eating in smaller plates, your quantities start to come down tremendously. Tip number 3. Some of you are so lazy that none of all this will work. Now, if nothing is working on you, you need to go all out there and get some help. You either go get a coach, or you get a mentor, or you get a psychologist, you get someone. But not getting help and trying to do it by yourself is probably not going to work for you. Okay. Tip number 3, and I used to do that all the time and I still do it. As soon as you finish your meal, get up and go brush your teeth. When you go and brush your teeth, after brushing your teeth, the chances of you wanting to have a sweet is not there. The chances of you wanting to go into the fridge and pick out on a chocolate is not there. And that's when lazy people can also lose weight. Tip number 4. I know you're lazy and I know you might not like this, but not working out is not an option. You have to work out. You must work out. So keep your workouts short and sweet. Take a Bollywood song, take a song, dance, or take a 5-minute routine from a video channel, from a YouTube channel, and move. Break it down into 5-minute intervals or 10-minute intervals, and then you will realize that you've packed in way more in the day than if you had packed in even when you had gone to the gym. Because lazy people, when they go to the gym, they don't do much. So it's better for you to do smaller things with workouts in your house rather than anything else. Tip number 5. Lazy people have a lot of anxiety. They don't show it, but they have a lot of anxiety. So I want you to breathe. When you inhale and exhale, deep breathing helps you in releasing a lot of stress and a lot of tension. And that will kind of activate and it will increase your blood flow. And when that happens, you will automatically start moving your body. Your circulation will improve. Slow it down. Tip number 6, slow it down, guys. Slow down the amount of food you're eating. Because as it is, you're lazy. As it is, you're not moving. As it is, you are sitting more than anything else. So I want you to start eating your food more slowly. So I have noticed that lazy people don't want to move their body and they want to eat their food fast. So just slow it down and start eating your food very slowly and chew it little by little by little. And the last tip for lazy people to lose weight is gum is your friend. When you chew gum, your urge to want to go and eat is not there. So that's going to be priceless for you. So just keep following these tips, and even if you're lazy, when you follow these tips, you will be able to lose weight. And what will actually happen by doing these action points, you will start actually moving your body. And I don't want you to just watch these videos or listen to my podcasts, but whatever that I throw out at you. Whenever you're listening to me, I want you to make notes. I want you to stick it on the fridge so that it inspires you to take action. Remember, it takes a few days, sometimes even a month or a year for you to start taking action because you're not that motivated. That's why you're lazy. So all you lazy people out there, make notes from all my videos and all my podcasts and whatever that is I'm sharing with you, because I'm sharing all that information from years and years of my experience. I started my journey in 1993. So it's been years, and I know. And I know where you are. I can relate to you. So don't feel disheartened even if you're lazy. Taking action and taking small steps, out of all my 7 points, even if you implement one, is going to change your life. So I look forward to giving you more and more tips. Stay tuned. Thank you. This is Dinaz signing off. Bye-bye.